guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a hair review on this wig that I have on. So please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, do that because I'm broke. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I'm trying to be more active on my YouTube channel. But to all my new subscribers, I did get a couple of new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. So let's get right into this hair. Okay, so I wrote everything down so I won't forget. Since I'm recording on my phone, I can't look on my phone. So I wrote everything down so I remember what I'm even talking about. So okay, so this hair is from Cranberry hair. I got it off of AliExpress. Of course, the link will be in the description box. Everything will be in the description box for you. Cranberry hair is a 4x4 lace wig. It is Peruvian hair. Yes, it's water wave and it's pre-plucked. So 4x4, that means the lace is only like from like right here to right here. And it goes 4 inches back. I was a little iffy because I got so used to the 13x6 wigs, and they do come in 13x6, but I just got the 4x4 just because it was a little cheaper. Whatever. Well, it's pre-plucked. It actually came with baby hairs, but I just, you know, flat iron. I mean, I got my hot comb, slipped them things back. I don't know, I just didn't give myself baby hairs. I haven't mastered baby hairs yet, so I just went ahead and just did that, and to be honest, it looks pretty good without the baby hairs. But if you want your baby hairs, it comes with baby hair. If you don't want to have your baby hairs like me, this is how it's gonna look. I actually got this hair in a 22 inch, and I'm short, so show you how long it comes to. It's like right here to me, right here to my boob. Another thing, if y'all hear some movement in the background, that's just my daughter watching. Okay, and it's 180% density. I love hair that is thick. I love thick hair. I don't care how short it is, how long it is. Thick hair is everything to me. So I'm glad I got a 180% density wig. Let's see what else. Shipping, I don't even have the box. FedEx had shipped it, and I ordered this hair January 1st, and it came January, I think 7th or 8th, so it took about a week to come. It came in a box, and it gave me a wig cap, and it also gave me the lashes. I'm actually wearing the lashes now, so yeah, they're actually pretty nice. They're not like them thin ones they be seeing. You know, them little thin. Now you can tell by the case when they be them little thin ones that they be having. They look like they just got about 3 pieces of hair on there. But yeah, these are the lashes. They are not like super long or anything, but yeah, I like it. When I first got the hair, when I took it out the pack, it had a smell, and you know, most hairs, you know, it come all the way from China or whatever, but it had a strong smell. I don't know if it's because me being pregnant or it was just really strong. So I just went ahead and I washed the hair, and I conditioned it, and I deep conditioned it for a good minute, and then I went ahead and all I did was I got my hot comb, I, you know, smoothed it down so I could see my part. I also just wet it and I let it air dry for a bit so it can get kind of thick, and then I put the gel on it so it can stay down, so it won't be so puffy, just how it is now. And I also just kind of like picked at it out like this, and then I also scrunched the hair up like this so the curls, so the curls can have that little water wave looking thing, like how it's supposed to look. And yeah, like this is how the hair has been looking. I also straightened the hair, and I'm gonna leave a picture right here I straightened the hair, and it actually straightened real well. I went through with one pass. I just got my comb and I got my flat iron. I just went through it one little pass through each part that I had sectioned off. So silky and smooth, it just felt so nice. But the only thing about when I straightened it, the ends was kind of ratty. That's the only thing I didn't like about it, but it was like still movable. It was still looking nice, still looking shiny and stuff. And so I kept that hair, I kept it straight for like a good maybe almost a week. I had kept it straight, and then I was a little scared to revert it back because I noticed at first when I started to wet the hair again that some of it was still kind of straight. So I just had to do it twice to make it look like this, which wasn't a problem or nothing. But yeah, I just got a little scared. I always get scared when I straighten, you know, curly hair or water wave hair or whatever, and I'm scared it's not gonna revert back. But it did. As you can see, I didn't do anything. All I did to this was just put water on there and put gel on there. That's the only thing I did to this hair, and I didn't put a lot of gel on it either. First got the hair did not shed at all. I didn't have no shedding. But of course when I washed it, I probably seen maybe a couple strands. It's nothing bad at all. It shed just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like, it won't hurt at all. It's still looking big and beautiful like it is, and I'm so excited. I'm so glad I bought this hair because I was a little iffy. Because I did my little research, and from what I've seen, Cranberry hair didn't have that many good reviews, but this review is good. I love the hair. Only con that I have about this hair is that the layers, like this front piece right here, I don't know if you can see, like, it's short. And I see like they tried to layer it, which I do appreciate, you know, them trying to layer the hair. But I felt like they could have made this part a little bit longer, just a little bit, because it looked kind of weird. Like at first, it looked kind of weird at first when I first put the wig on when it was curly. But when I was straightening it was fine. I think that's all for the hair. Of course, I will put the link down in the description box, like I said. All the details will be in the description box. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.